solve this plane geometry problem involving angles. So here, this is the application of your knowledge in supplementary angles. And also polygons, angles, or the summation of interior angles, or total interior angles of a polygon. Okay, so this is how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided polygon, but not a regular one. So this is a hexagon. Okay. So kung hexagon yan, this must have anong total interior angles meron ng hexagon. So if we start from here, ayan, so I draw a, tawag dyan, a broken line. Okay, so from one point or vertex, draw ka ng line papunta sa other vertices. Okay, be consistent kung saan ka nag-start. So yan, I choose this point. Then, ayun, hanggang sa ilang triangles na form natin. We formed 4 triangles. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ibig sabihin, ang total of interior angles ng triangle is 180, right? So, for hexagon, we have number of interior angles or summation. Total interior angles is what? So, 4 times 180. So, how many? How much is that? How much is that? 4 times 180? That's 720. 720 yung sum. So this angles must equal to 720. Pero ano bang hinahanap lang natin? We're asked to solve for y, just y. Okay? So, ayan. So, start tayo sa mga supplementary triangles, or supplementary angles. So, here, that's 59. So, that is a straight line. So, the other angle must be 180 minus 59. That is 121. That is 121. Okay. This one's 121. This one is 130. This one is, ilan yun? 35. Mental. 180 minus 35. So that's 145. For 2y, for 61, we have this. For 61, 180 minus 61. That's 119. So this must add up to 720 in total. So this must be 180 minus y. And this must be 180 minus 2y. Solve for that. So simply add ko na lang lahat ng constants. So that's 121. Start from here. So 121, then pa-clockwise tayo. So 121 plus 180 plus 119 plus 180 again plus 145 plus 130, right? Yeah. So that's 875. Total is 875. So, yeah, 720 is equal to 875. Then minus y, minus 2y, that's minus 3y. So, there we go. So, for y, so this must be 875 minus 720 divide by 3. So that is 51.6 or fraction 155 over 3. So in 51.6 is repeating. So y is 51.6 or 51.67 degrees. And that's it. So you solve this problem. Thank you.